Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. As you all know that we are proceeding with our SQL interview series. Let's keep a break on that and let's focus on the Python part. So today's question is basically of a case study, and this particular case study has been asked to me in my previous interview in a startup company. So in a startup company you can expect to get these kind of questions because the number of employees in the company are less, and that's why you are expected to know a lot many things, not only of one technology or one tool. You need to have a great understanding of many tools and technologies and softwares that are there in the market. And for out of that, Python is definitely going to be one of the first and foremost priority when it comes to data analysis and business analysis. So yeah, let's solve today's question. So this is a case study where we have 5 questions, and this case study has a data set that I will be providing in the description. It is a very small data set. So the dataset basically says we need to analyze a data site of a small retail store that tracks monthly sales of products, and we are given 5 questions. Let's solve these 5 questions in our Google Colab. Let's jump to our Google Colab right now. Yeah, so this is our Google Colab. I have already imported this particular code, and I will give this code in the description where you can take it. Let's solve the first question. So the first question basically says we need to find the total sales for each month. Month wise, we need to find the total sales. Okay, let's write the query. Df of, we need total cells is equal to df of, for we need for order product A, comma, product B, comma, product C, dot sum, and we have to specify the axis is equal to 1, that is for row, and then we need to print df of month, comma, total cells. Yeah, let's print it. Yeah, we have got successful output for all the January, February, March, April, and May. And let's check it. For January, it is showing 300, and if we see the data frame, it is January 150 plus 100 plus 50, which is giving 300. So yeah, we are getting the right output. Let's jump to the second question. We need to calculate the average sales for each product. Also a pretty easy one. Average sales is equal to df of, we need to specify the product. Let's get rid of this dot mean. So since we're actually calculating the average, we'll be using the mean function of Python pandas. It is an inbuilt function of Python pandas. Let's print it. Average sales plus n, comma, average sales. Okay, let's print it. Yeah, we have got the successful output for all the products, product A, product B, and product C. These are the average sales. Let's jump to this third question. That was a pretty easy one also. So we need to identify the month with the highest sales for product A. Okay, let's start the coding. Highest sales month. Highest sales month variable is equal to df dot loc, then df of product A dot idx max function we have to use here, then the month. Now let's print to see. Okay, we can simply write it here. Control C, Control V to check. Yeah, this is the May month, that is the highest sales for product A. Let's check it for product A. Yes, for product A, the May month 350 is the highest sales. Okay, let's jump to the third question. We need to check if any product sales are consistently increasing. Okay, increasing trends is equal to df of product A, B, and C. We have to see for all the products. I think we got some extra braces. Okay, let's get rid of that. Then we have to use the diff function. It will be dot diff function is equivalent to dot ilog and it should be greater than 0 dot all. So all basically is applies to everything. Let's print it. Products with consistently increasing. This is a bit tricky one compared to what we have got. Let's run it. Yeah, so all the products are consistently increasing. That is true, true, true. Let's check it for product A, B, and C. So if we can see product A, B, and C, all the values are increasing from January to May. 150 starting, 200, 250, 300. Similarly for product B, 100, 150, 200. Similarly for product C, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So the values are actually increasing. Okay, the final question. Find the percentage contribution of each product or to total sales for each month. This is not that difficult. Let's give a percentage is equal to df of extra braces we got. This generally happens when you code. Dot div function we have to use, and inside that df of total cells, df of total cells, comma, access is equal to 0. We need to specify into 100. Then we just need to print it. Control C, Control V. Yeah, this is the percentage contribution for each product A, B, and C for each month. So yeah, this is how you can actually solve all these 5 questions. And yeah, these type of questions you can actually expect to get in startup based companies, and they will be providing with any kind of small data set. You need to load the data set in your compiler or Jupyter notebook or in any online Python compiler, and based on the questions that they will be providing, you have to solve all the 5 questions or maybe 10 questions within the time limit. So this is how we have actually solved all these 5 questions, and I will come up with more such case studies videos and also with more Python and SQL questions in the near future. Share this with someone who are actually preparing for data analyst interviews for tough companies. So yeah, this is what I have actually for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe the channel for more updates and share it with everyone. Thank you all, guys.